How to set gutter margins in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then, click on Layout at the top. And here, click on Margins and expand it. Click on Custom Margins, which is the last option at the bottom. Then, make sure you have selected multiple pages. You can choose as for your preference. Then at the top, make everything 1 centimeter and gutter 1.5 centimeter. You can also view preview of the gutter position at the bottom. After you're done, press on OK and you're good to go. This is how to set gutter margins in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.